Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wiring up Bootstrap so components behave predictably. Include the Bootstrap CSS in the head and the JS bundle before closing body. This ensures responsive utilities and collapse work. Create a basic index. HTML with a meta viewport tag and a nav placeholder inside a header container. Once done, add a link to your custom style sheet beneath Bootstrap so you can override colors and spacing without editing library files. Make sure to test in a browser to confirm the CSS loaded. Now assemble the markup. Use a nav element with navbar and navbar expand classes to control collapse breakpoints. Add your brand as an anchor with navbar brand so users recognize the site. Insert a button with navbar toggler and data attributes that target the collapse ID. This creates the hamburger on small screens. Inside the collapse div, build an unordered list of nav items with navlink anchors for each route. Once done, spacing classes like meauto or msauto position items. Experiment to get the layout you want. Finish by styling and verifying behavior so your navbar feels complete. Use Bootstrap background utility classes or set CSS custom properties to match branding. This keeps updates simple. Make sure the JS bundle and popper are present so drop-downs and the toggler behave correctly. Once done, test on mobile and desktop, check active link states, and confirm keyboard navigation works. If collapse fails, inspect console for missing scripts or mismatched collapse ID attributes. Fixing those usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.